Hi, have you ever felt a bit uneasy about how fast AI is growing these days? Now, don't get me wrong. It is amazing knowing how fast technology is advancing, nations are growing, and it is helping people in every aspect of their life, whether it is writing essays or creating content or even predicting your own future. I mean, it's exciting, but also kind of scary, right? It makes you think, where do us humans fit into all of this? How will we come into the picture? And what will be the future of our careers? Well, here's the thing. I don't think we need to fear AI anymore. We just need to use it precisely and strategically so that we can make our lives better. We can focus on the things that really matter, like building meaningful relationships, thinking creatively, and thinking outside the box. And that's exactly what we are going to talk about today. Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Selena, and in this week's video, we are going to talk about something really important, and that is how to outsmart AI and stay ahead in 2025. In this video, I'll share some easy tips and ideas to help you stay relevant and use AI to your advantage. So let's jump right in. Let us start with talking about the rise of AI in 2025. Now, AI is advancing rapidly, and by 2025, it is going to be everywhere. In fact, 75% of businesses will be using AI to automate tasks and improve their productivity by then. We are talking about self-driving cars becoming common on the roads, with India projected to have over 7 million electric and autonomous vehicles by 2030. AI assistants running entire businesses, along with AI-powered customer services. Automation will take up more jobs across industries like healthcare, finance, transportation, and education. In India, 43% of the jobs are at a high risk of automation by 2030, and this includes the retail sector and the manufacturing sector. But while AI is incredibly powerful, it does not come without its flaws. Despite all the key areas where it does so well, there are some areas where it falls short. For one, AI lacks true creativity. It can analyze data, but it cannot come up with innovative ideas the way us humans do. In fact, AI-generated content in India is still limited to repetitive tasks, with only 15 to 20% of it being truly creative. In India, 85% of the executives believe that human qualities like creativity and emotional intelligence are irreplaceable, even by AI. This is where we still have an advantage. While AI tries to take over multiple aspects of our life, we can use our human qualities like emotional intelligence, creativity, and critical thinking to still stand out. Now that we know the ground reality, we can use our strategies to outsmart AI and stay ahead in 2025. So let's look at some of them. First, we need to develop critical thinking and creativity. Because in 2025, the most valuable employees are going to be those who can think outside the box and innovate, because AI cannot do that yet. For this, you can start practicing creative thinking exercises, develop problem-solving skills, and look into and research about different fields. Next, we need to focus on emotional intelligence or EQ. Because while AI might analyze data on emotions, it cannot truly understand them or feel them the way humans do. For example, teachers, therapists, and customer service reps will still be in high demand because AI cannot replicate human connection. You can work on improving your EQ by practicing communication skills, empathy, and active listening. Finally, we need to upskill and adapt to AI. Instead of fighting AI, why not use it to your own advantage? Embrace AI tools that enhance your capabilities and free up your time for some higher level tasks. For example, AI can help you write code, design graphics, and even manage tasks. But you should focus on the strategy and vision behind those tasks. You can do this by taking courses in AI-related fields like data science, machine learning, or automation tools to stay adaptable. Next, we need to focus on human-centered roles, because they are here to last. AI cannot replace the creativity of an artist, the leadership of a CEO, and the empathy of a healthcare worker. For example, AI can assist in diagnosing diseases, but cannot help a person and be compassionate like a nurse, or provide the comfort that a nurse does. Similarly, an AI can help with data analysis, but it cannot inspire and motivate a team the way a leader does. Think about all the fields where creativity is the driving force, like graphic designers, writers, filmmakers, and even musicians. AI cannot replace the imagination and emotional depth that humans bring to their work. AI can generate text or even music, but it does not have the capability to generate something so powerful that connects with humans the way a human artist can. We have now come to one of the most crucial parts of this video, and that is how to anticipate future trends. As we look toward 2025, AI is rapidly transforming industries, and so it is important for us to stay ahead of these changes. Here are a couple of simple strategies to help you anticipate the future and stay ready. For this, we need to stay informed and adapt because AI is constantly changing. To keep up, it is important to stay informed about new trends, tools, and updates. By knowing what is coming, you can take advantage of new opportunities before others do. For example, by 2025, quantum computing is going to unlock a new level of computing power. So much that the global computing market will reach $65 billion by 2030. Additionally, AI ethics will become a critical topic by 2025. 90% of AI-related business will focus on AI governance and AI frameworks. As a tip, you can follow industry leaders, read AI news, and go and attend events to keep up with the latest AI trends. In conclusion, the future is about AI and humans working together. So use AI to enhance your abilities and stay ahead in 2025. That was all for this week's video. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I'll be back next week with another exciting video. Till then, thank you for watching and see you again.